Hi there. Are you a beginner when it comes to investing? Worry not, because I'm just about to give you the most basic and the most relevant of examples as to what investing is and what you need to do for you to be able to start investing and see your money grow over time. Look here, guys. When someone gives you a legume, a cereal, a seed, you name it, you have a decision to make. The decision is whether you're going to eat it, in essence, consume it by you cooking or even consuming it as it is, or whether you are going, for example, to plant this seed for you to be able to see this seed grow over time. Guys, investing is the second option I've talked about. In essence, you deciding to forego eating or consuming this seed and opting to plant this seed. And true to it, if you plant this seed, you're gonna see that based on how the weather conditions are, and also based on how you are intentional about taking care of it, through, for example, using fertilizer, through, for example, doing weeding, this seed is gonna be able to grow and give you more produce in its lifetime. That is exactly what investing is you sacrificing some of your money and putting this money in a growth opportunity for you to be able to see this money grow over time. And of course, this money is going to be affected by the weather conditions, in essence, the market dynamics and the market forces of demand and supply, depending on the kind of investing you put your money down on, whether it is investing in stock market, whether it is investing in real estate, whether it is investing in business, you name it. But also beyond that, your effort with regards to how you further and further inputting into this seed to see it grows much better. So, for example, you ensuring you are using fertilizer, you are doing weeding, you name it, is also gonna dictate how fast this seed is gonna grow, right? And we're talking about, for example, you plowing back your profits into business, right? You expanding your portfolio, you diversifying your portfolio. All these are gonna go a long way in seeing how best your seed is gonna grow. And if the market dynamics are ideal and also your efforts are optimal, be sure you're gonna see your seed grow very awesomely over time, and it's gonna give you awesome results. Maybe it's gonna give you 10 times, maybe it's gonna give you 100 times, and even for those high risk, high return kind of investments, it's gonna even give you over 1,000 times your initial investing. I hope you have gotten the understanding and analogy of what investing is. That is basically what investing is. And of course, on this channel, I'm making more and more videos on investing for you to have a thorough understanding of what investing is and even what the relevant investing opportunities are, which you can jump into. So if you're new here, kindly consider subscribing for you to be able to catch up on such awesome insights each and every day. My name is Afagza Sifuna, and you are all much welcome to the Money Daily YouTube channel. Cheers, guys, and look forward to share with you other awesome insights on investing next time. Bye-bye.